What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having an incredible day. I want to jump right in because there's a couple things to look over. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It helps the algorithm if you like this kind of content. So I want to dive in. A lot of people don't think it's possible to make a living trading, and I want to just show you how it is possible. So I started trading SRK again because it was just such a good chart. I was a little hesitant just because of I don't like centralized exchanges. I'm just not a big fan. I've seen the Cryptopia hack. I was trading during the Cryptopia hack, and I saw a lot of people lose money. So yeah, I don't like centralized exchanges, but the liquidity is high and it's hard to find that anywhere else. So let's dive right in. So I'm going to show you my my deposit history. I deposited 3 million SRK to trade with into my account, and right now, as we speak, and I did that on the 19th, and it's now the 22nd. So a couple days, 19, 20, 1, 22, 3 days, whatever. Yeah, so I'm already up. I'll show you. So I have 2 million right here I'm selling, and I could buy a whole nother 1 million, more than 1 million. So I'll show you how much money I made just in that short amount of time. Let me get my calculator out. All right, so I have the 1,001,000 here. Add that with the other million here that I'm selling. I currently have this many in my wallet that I'm selling. Plus I'm buying another this. So I'm currently up. Let me move this over so I could show you. I'm currently up. So if I just sold at the asking price, what this person is asking. Get rid of the 3. I'm currently up almost in Ethereum in a couple of days, just trading this chart alone. That's not including the link chart that I'm up on. That's not including the Tezos chart that I'm up on, or the ZIL chart that I've been up on this entire, for months. I'm still up. I got another buy. I just got to sell. Sold. Or the VeChain chart, or the Ethereum chart, that I'm up almost 9% on that. So, is it possible to make a living trading? Yes, very possible. It's highly lucrative. I just want to show people that, so, if you're like, you don't want to quit my job or whatever and do something cooler, or at least not listening to a boss yell at me. But I don't know if it's possible. I just want to reinstill some hope and give people some inspiration that it is. I used to wait tables. Hated my job. So I think that the economic collapse that is coming, and in fact, I'm looking at places to live that aren't in America, Belize, because I think that what is happening to America, I want to talk about this for a second, because it matters so much that you're aware of what could potentially happen. Right now, America, and I'd say the entire world, is going through possibly the worst up-and-coming economic collapse that the world has ever seen. and I mean up-and-coming because clearly everything is being manipulated. Like, why is Apple worth $2 trillion when their stores haven't even been opened? Why is the stock market at an all-time high when nothing's been open? People haven't been out spending money. It is borderline insanity what is actually going on. It doesn't make any sense. And on top of that, we see civil unrest in every cities, all the cities. Like, what is going to happen? For those of you that don't know, once things get bad, they don't just get unbad, right? Especially when it comes to stuff like this. What I've seen is that the violence increases, the civil unrest increases, the money printing increases, the spending increases. It's not just going to taper off. The government is going to be like, okay, yeah, we've been printing money, and mind you, they've been pocketing a lot of that money printing by themselves because you can't audit the Fed. they're just not going to stop that, right? It's just not going to taper that off. You know, they're going to find more reasons to keep doing that. And what I think is going to happen is, I think it's just going to propel crypto higher. I think any DeFi project or Bitcoin or whatever, it's just going to propel it even higher, really. So it's a good thing at the end of the day. I am concerned though, however, what a world would look like where we have only Bitcoin and the dollar is crushed and spent into oblivion. I am concerned what that would look like. And I think the best thing to do at this point is to own crypto, find a way to be able to work inside that system, right? So if you're a business, start accepting it. If you're, an online marketer or whatever, start maybe paying for your ads in it. Try to find a way to be comfortable using this system and have your passport, and also have maybe, pull like an ancestry and see if you have relatives in other countries, because you might be able to get a dual citizenship in another country. Be able to be mobile and liquid as possible as a person, because who knows? We've seen crazy things happen throughout history. We've seen governments do crazy things. We've seen citizens do crazy things, and we don't know where things are headed. So it's best to be aware and cautious. So I want to leave that there for you. That is why I trade. That is why I'm an advocate for trading. That's why I tell people they should get involved in this stuff, because you do not want to be stuck having to hump the corporate ladder when the entire building is on fire, if you know what I mean. So anyway, I'm going to stop the video right here. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you like this kind of content. I'll be talking to y'all later.